Dear listener, welcome to Tor's collection of tutorials gallery. I'm the Jamiul Islam. Today, I try to show you how can get backup from Microsoft Sql Server 2012. First of all, you have to install first Microsoft Sql Server 2012 in your computers, and then you will get a icon from Microsoft Sql Server 2012. You can see here Microsoft Sql Server 2012. Just click that icon. Microsoft Sql Server 2012 is going to opening. Just wait and see here. Dear listeners, Microsoft SQL Server 2012 has some special features. I will try to cover all new features with my tutorials in next time. Today I want to show just a backup confirmation process. You see Microsoft SQL Server window is opening. Server type, that is the default system, and server name is the name which name you want to enter during your Microsoft SQL Server installation time. That name is automatically comes here. And authentication Microsoft SQL Server 2012 has two authentication mode. Here is Microsoft SQL Server authentication. Server authentication mode is that mode which you can choose your password. And another authentication mode is Windows authentication mode. See here, Windows authentication mode, when I select, the username and password is inactive. That is system by default system login. So I want to choose SQL Server authentication mode. Here SA login name SA is the default login name, you remember it. And password is that password when you install Microsoft SQL Server 2012 and create the database, that times which password you provide, that password you enter here. Suppose I provide a password, just wait. See, Microsoft SQL Server 2012 is opening. Here is some components here. My concentration is database, because I want to show how can get confirm a backup from my database. So I go to database folder, and here is, you can see system database snapshot. So many database is here. I want to confirm a backup from my own created database, that is design developer. Just click right button and task and go to backup. See, source database name, here is so many database. These are the default database. You can confirm backup any of this database, but I want to confirm my own created database, that is design developer. And these are the recovery mode full, automatically comes here. Backup full. Here is three systems: transient log, differential, and full. We always try to give the full selection, and database selected here. See, here is a important thing, backup too. And this is the location where you want to keep the backup. That is the default comes here. If you want to change this specific location, you can just select and remove and add your specific location. Just click add and select the location. Suppose I want to confirm my backup in my D drive, and go to my DB backup folder, right? Just click, and here is the file name. You can provide any type of name, just for known your name, but you always try to give the database related name, because in future if you can remind it easily. That's why. Okay, dear listener, I enter my database name, related a file name. Just click OK and OK and OK. You can see executing 100%, and through a message from the Microsoft Sql Server Management Studio, the backup of database design developer completed successfully. Okay, my tutorials topic is overcome here. We already created a database. Now we can ensure is really database is created in my specific location. For this I want to go that specific location and check my computers, and I confirm in backup my D drive with the folder of DB backup folder. This is the database backup already completed. Dear listener, thank you for here with my tutorials and stay with me. Okay, thanks of all. Just you knock if any kind of your problem to hear or listening or any kind of problem, just review and comments in under the tutorials in Tours collection of my blog. Thanks a lot.